In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default action when you insert a CD as it relates to the Apple Music app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Apple Music app and then select Music up in the menu bar. Go down and select Settings. And now underneath General, where it says when a CD is inserted, click on the drop down here and you can select Show a CD, Play, Import, or Ask to Import. Make your selection choice and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.